Hi, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today we are going to see L2 Java application or production support demo. Here we are going to cover SQL, Unix, Splunk, Jira, and live project. And the new batch is going to start it on February 12th, and timing will be 7 p.m. IST to the 8 p.m. IST. And let us see as a part of this course what and all we are going to cover here. We are going to see it here. Okay. And as an overview, we are going to learn the L1 support, how the L1 support is going to work, how the L2 support is going to work, how the L3 support is going to work. We are going to learn here. The first of all, we need to understand what is the production support. We are saying na production support, application support. What is that exactly? The production support is the participation of supporting the IT system or the applications. Production support, executive receive the request from the end user, analyze that these request and respond to the end user with the best possible solution. In short, we can say production support analysts need to maintain and support the system applications used by the specific set of the user. Let us take an example of the real-time example, Paytm and Amazon. Okay, why the Paytm we are going to use in the real time? For the making the payment, purchasing something, or recharge purpose, many purpose we are going to use to transfer the money to the friend. What will happen? Think that you send the money to your friend. Okay, and I am talking about the real-time example. uh, the friend has not got the, it is saying that amount has been deducted from your side, amount has been deducted from your side, and it has not reached to the your friend. And during that you will get panic, right? You will get panic. And during that, what you are going to do? You are going to contact the support of Paytm, and those Paytm is going to create the one ticket. One ticket they will create, and they will resolve your issue. And in this case, what exactly we are, whatever the support executives are playing the role, right? The during the taking the request, they will ask your phone number and what time you have done, what is the amount they will ask, and they will do that. And this will be taken care by L1 support engineer, L2 support engineer, and L3 support engineers. Okay, and how the exactly this is, and similarly the Amazon, for example, you have purchased something, and purchase you have made the payment, but it is showing the amount is due and something. During that time, you are going to contact the Amazon services, right? Amazon team, and this is the kind of things. Okay, and before that, before jumping into all the details, what are all the models we are going to cover here? We'll see. The model we are going to cover here is SQL model. Daily assignment will be there, final assignment will be there, and SQL mock interview will be there. And the next we are going to like the Linux model is there. Here also daily usage command, daily assignment, final assignment, Unix mock interviews, all the steps we are going to cover. Okay, and I will come the later one by one. First, I will show you the what exactly we are covering here. In the model 3, we are going to cover shell script, and in model 4, we are going to cover the scenario based questions and into questions discussion of the company. And model 5, we are going to cover the job scheduler and cron tab. With the example, we can use the autosys or the control M, Windows task scheduler also. And in this course, I am covering the cron tab with the examples. Okay, this is the alternative to autosys and the control M. If you know the cron tab, and you can manage with the autosys and control M also, we can convince the interviewer. And model 6, the ticketing tool we are going, and documentation we are going to use like the Jira and ServiceNow, and complaints per document. We are going to learn the ITL process also. And model 7, other tools used in the production support discussion, Putty, WinSAP, and FileZilla. we are going to learn. And module 8, we are going to learn the monitoring tool as a Splunk. I'm going to show you that Splunk. Okay. And module 9, live project, insurance domain project, we are going to teach here. And other domain projects also available, but not yet ready. Banking and healthcare domain also you can learn. Okay. And as a part of this course, the module 10 we are going to cover as the deployment activity. Deployment activity, manual deployment we are doing here. Prerequisites of the intro. Before going for the intros, and you need to learn this self-introduction notes, daily activities of L1 and L2 support engineers, L3 support engineer, L2 roles and responsibilities, resume explanation, and RCA, MOM, how to write the email, daily scrum call, communication, how we are going to communicate each other. If you are the coming from the non-IT and you have not worked on the IT, for them it is going to help a lot. If you are the BCA or MCA and you are the beginner, and how the IT is going to work, this is going to help you a lot. Okay. And rota plan weekly or the monthly. And the model 12 will cover the Java basics which are required for this production support we are covering here. And after that we'll be having the assignment like the SQL test and SQL test 2 and test 3 Unix test 1, test 2, test 3 assignment assessment test, it will be there. Intro, we are conducting the mock intro, SQL intro and Unix and overall mock intro I'll be conducting. Resume preparation help I'll be doing, and intro preparation help I'll be doing. And the intro preparation help, the L1 round, how the L1 round will be there, how the L2 round will be there, how the managerial round will be conducted, HR round will be conducted, and those steps I'm going to show you here. Okay. And job assistance help also I'll be doing. I'll be having the set up the company questions and answer. I am going to show you that package discussion. You if you are having like the 3 or the 4+ years of experience, you can expect like the 7 to 8 LPA package. And haven't said that like the if you are that is also depends upon your current CTC also. If your current CTC is 5 of the 30 to 40%, you can expect. If you are going for the counter offer, then we can expect the more. And daily session recordings, recording video will be said, and material for the each model. See here, you can see it here, right? The model 1 SQL, model 2 Linux, all the material will be given to you. And the biggest advantage here is the certification. We are going to give the certificate also. See, the certificate will look like this. Okay. And one more thing, beautiful things we are going to see it here in the feedback section. Here is I'm going to show you the feedback section, guys. Okay. See at the what is the feedback of our YouTube channel and the course. I'm going to show you. See at the what is the thanks for the suggesting this video. Since I am already working in the production support, after watching your video till end, I must say that you have explained everything brilliantly, perfectly. I got to learn the few more thing about the production support. Thanks and making this video. Okay, thanks for clear explanation and feedback too. Much awaited and much needed. Nice content and keep this momentum. Great content and presentation. See the feedback and offer he has got. Okay, see at the he what he said. I'm good and good. I have you see the I have asked him. We got the two offer. He has called me and explained everything. And see the feedback one. Your explanation, each and every content is very helpful to the all. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. See here, good. I have got the good feedback. And see the again feedback for you. Your explanation is very good. This is very helpful to the all. Thanks for sharing the knowledge. And see here the feedback 6. Very useful and real time experience. Good job, brother. Okay, this is the feedback I have got, and you can also be part of this, and this is going to help you a lot. Okay, and one more thing here is, and see the person who has cleared this interview got the selected in the first round. The HR feedback has like this, and in triage and second round has been cleared. See at the interpret package like this. Okay, let us not waste the timing. Let us jump on to the real one. Okay, so what is the L1 and L2 support, and let us understand the in the real time how the SQL is going to work, how the Linux is going to work. Let us not waste the time here. Okay, let us go jump here. Okay, and in the production environment, let us understand the implementation part. Okay, we'll understand the implementation, how the L1 and L2 support is going to work in the real time. Okay, the first what we are going to hear is we are going to get the requirement, the steps SDLC will call it as. Okay, first we'll get the requirement page, then the requirement is taken, then it will go to the analysis page, then design page, then coding, then testing page. Okay, and then testing page, then deployment, then these are the steps involved in the software development. Okay, and once that is done, and it is eligible for the production support. Here the production support work will come. How many levels are there? Level 1 L1 support, L2 support, and L3 support. Most of what we are targeting is L1 and L2 and L3. Okay, L3 is required the little bit of the coding knowledge. And here is the L1 support. What they are exactly doing? L1 team is the first contact of the any issues. Whenever the issue is coming, they will be interacting directly with over the phone or the email. They will be interacting. I have given the explanation. You can check this. Okay, L2 team, what exactly they are doing? Team work on the issues with which gets from the L1 team. Okay, and they will final the root cause of the issues through the RCA. If the code changes are required, they will approach the L3 team. The L2 team has the only permission read and execute only, and L3 team into the come into the picture. L2 is unable to solve the problem, then L3 team is come into picture. Then L3 team is nothing but the development team. They in team, they will related to the issues, code changes, work on the issues which escalated by L2 or the L1. Directly L1 team can also escalate. They feel it required the code changes, they can directly pass on to the L3 team. L2 team can also pass on to the team. Okay, so how exactly this is going to work here? Let us see. The application issue came, and user has raised the Jira ticket. User has raised the Jira ticket here, and then L1 production support engineer came into the exist, and he was able to resolve the customer issues. Yes means follow the runbook and resolve the issues. Runbook is written in the compliance. Whatever I am explaining now, this is the compliance I am using. This is like the runbook. And if they are not able to do, pass the ticket to the L2 team. This is the roadmap we'll be following it in the real time. We need to follow this. L2 production support. What they are doing to able to resolve the customer issue? Yes or no? Yes means follow the L2 support document guidelines and resolve the tickets. L2 ticket guideline in the sense what exactly we are doing. We'll be checking the old tickets, whether the similar issue you have faced, and we are going to check the compliance, kind of the run book. Is there our own notes? Or we are going to check our KT videos. All the steps we are going to check and we'll try to resolve it. But still, if it is not resolved, it require the coding effort or the anything extra thing it is required means we are going to pass that ticket to the L3 team. L3 production support come into the exist here, resolve the issues and provide the RCA. This is about overall L1, L2, and L3 support engineers, guys. Okay. And let us see the next concept and SQL concept. Okay, we are going to see the in the SQL what exactly we are going to what we are going to learn here is we are going to learn the this concept like the group by DDL commands and SQL command. These are the SQL command, DML, DCL, alias, all the functions, all the steps we are going to learn. Okay, and day by day, what exactly we are going to learn, I am going to show you that, and I will show you the real time task also. And before that, how the SQL is going to work, I am going to show you that. Okay, 1 minute, I am going to show you how the SQL is going to work. Okay, how the SQL is going to work? See here, user is communicating to the database, okay, DBMS, or the app is communicating to the database, the you are writing the select star from table name, you will be writing, then it will go here, then it will go here, it will go here, this is the file, and it will reach to the database. Think that I am fetching the customer and order table data, then the data will come like this, and the customer ID and order ID I am fetching, the result came, and this is result is going to show to the user, this is going to show to the app. If you are doing it like this, the real time SQL is going to work, okay, and you need to understand like this how the actual the data is going to work, okay. Okay, let us see the what exactly we are going to cover in the SQL day by day. What exactly we are going to cover, we'll see this. Okay. Okay. See at the in the day one we are going to cover the 1 minute. Day one we are going to cover the SQL introduction, SQL basics, and theory and practical day assignment. Every day theory, practical, and assignment will be there. Okay. And the second day, session day, software installation part. And day three, SQL data types and SQL constraint we are going to learn. And day four, SQL commands we are going to learn. And day five, we are going to learn the SQL joins concept and theory practical as usual. And day six, we are going to cover SQL joins part two. And day 5 also SQL part 1, and day 6 also part 2 we are going to learn 2 day session. And day 7 SQL filters and SQL clauses. What are the SQL clauses? SQL clauses are where clause and group by clause, having clause, and order by clauses we are going to learn as usual. We are going to learn, okay. And day 8 SQL function. What are the SQL function? Aggregate windows function and ranking windows function. Aggregate functions are average, min, max, sum, and count. And ranking functions are rank, dense rank, row number, when we are going to use, why we are going to use, all the steps we are going to learn it here. Okay. And day 9, we are going to understand the set operator. Set operator are union and union all operator we are going to use. Okay. And day 10, we are going to learn the case statement and string and date functions we are going to learn. And day 11, pattern matching and null handling we are going to learn. And day 12, SQL views and SQL triggers, SQL programs, SQL procedure, and SQL index we are going to learn. And obviously the mock will be there, and assessment will be there. All the steps we are going to learn as a part of this one. Okay. And once this is done, and let us go ahead and let us understand the real-time task. Real-time task of the SQL. Okay, there is a table A and the table B. Table A has the column and COL is the column name, and it has the record like 110 and null and 1. And the column or table B has the column and 10 null. So interviewer is going to ask the question like, what is the output of the inner join? What is the output of the right join? What is the output of the left join? And what is your expectation? Your expectation, it will be the first how we are going to calculate here is we are going to calculate. So first the mantra for the calculating here is, let us take this example. The one is matching, one is matching, and this one also matching. One is matching, then this one also matching, one. Okay. And 0 also matching. Okay. 0 also matching. This is the inner join. Null cannot be compared with the null. That is the reason for the inner join. This is the output. Okay. And what is the inner join means? The all the combination. What is the output of the right join? What is the output of inner join plus the remaining record from the right join. Here the what are the records as left? I have used in the right join, in the right column 1 and 0 I have used, the null I have not used. That is the reason what it will come. The what are the here right join data is there. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, and what is the thing? The null it is there, right? The null 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 null. If the no data is matching, null only. Null null. This is the right join data. Okay, I'm going to show you that. What is the left join? Left join, the inner join plus remaining record from the left join. Remaining record is the null has been left, right? That is the reason what exactly we are going to get it here is, I'm going to show you this. The inner join 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 null 1 1 1 0 null and 1. Okay, this is the exactly we are going to get. This is the left join, this is the right join, this is the inner join. Okay, let us go ahead and let us execute these queries. Okay, so what I have done here is, okay, I have taken this one to the create table, table A and column. I have made it. Okay, let us go ahead and insert the data into the MySQL database. I have the database. Okay, and if you want to do this one means what I will do, I will take the screenshot whether I am right or not. I need to show you it, right? Okay, let me keep that. Okay, and rub this one, clear all. Okay, I have taken all the data. Okay, go to the database. You are into the database name called the batch 100. Okay, you can see the table A is not there. Table A, I have inserted the 5 record. Table B has been created. Inserted the 5 records. Okay, you can do the select star from table table A came right data, and table B the 1 0 3 nulls are there. Okay, now we need to do the inner join for this. Okay, so how we have to do is table A as alias inner join table B alias on A dot col equal to B dot col. This is the inner join. Execute it. See at 110 it is coming. Here 1100. Exactly, it is matching, right? Okay, and let us understand the right join as per the question. What it will come? Right join. See here 110 null null 110 null null. It is came exactly the similar, right? 1100 null null. Okay, exactly the same it came. Okay, and similarly the left join. Similarly, left join. See here 110 null null 1. Okay, this is the exactly the same output I have explained. Okay, 0 null null. Okay, like this you need to learn in the real time. Okay, let us take the another example in the real time example. Okay, and I will jump onto the Flipkart. Okay, so I am going to I have already taken the Flipkart here. Okay, Flipkart application I have, and here I want to search the code. The phone, how many records? 10,664 records are there. I want the price brand. I want the filter. I want to update the phone based on how many phones are there. The Apple phones are there, Vivo are there, Oppo is there, many phones are there. I am not interested all. I am interested in the Apple and I am interested in the Vivo. I have applied the this one 1,000 and the price band between I want to update like 30 means the 415. I want records, 9 records came. Apple iPhone has iPhone 4, like this it came, right? In the real time, we are going to create this Flipkart database and how we are making the changes here, how the result is changing. This one we are going to mimic in the real time. For this, I have created the table called create table Flipkart phone varchar price is the int, brand is the varchar, and RAM is the int. Okay, I have created this. I have taken the sample data like the Apple 5, Apple 6, Apple 8, and purple record. Vivo also I have applied it. Let us execute this and let us see the impact. Okay, okay, and refresh it. You are able to see it here, right? It came, right? I want to display the only the phone where the phone is, where phone is equal to, your phone is equal to Apple, where phone is equal to, why it is not coming? Okay, this is the case sensitive, right? Here the Apple, okay. Okay. Phone is the Apple 45 brand. Based on the brand, I will be choosing. Okay, brand is equal to Apple. Brand Apple. Okay, and I want between the 30,000 to the 60,000. Again, I am applying the filter. Okay, price between price between 30,000 and 60,000. Already 4 records are there. I will be getting so and brand is equal to Apple. Price between 30,000 and 60,000. Okay, 4 records. Okay, so if you change the brand to the Vivo and the records is going to change. And I want to order by like the I will remove this. I want the see in the real time also. If you want to order by the price lowest to highest, also you can make it 29,000. And like this we can make it. It is the filtration. Okay, if you want the Vivo only, you can apply the Vivo brand. See at the 404 records Vivo it is there. Now like this we need to work in the real time. These are the real time examples. Okay, and let us understand the now we let us move on to the Linux part. In the Linux, what exactly we are going to learn it here is we are going to learn the Linux command system information command like the uname, pre and du and dep and file and directory and management commands. What are the ls command, pwd, cp, move, rm, mkdir. These are the daily usage commands in the daily basis we'll be using. Okay, and file weaving, what we are, vim, nano, cat, and there's more file weaving and editing. We are going to use that. Process management is the top command and kill command, kill all command, stop, all the stuffs we are going to use it. Okay, and then user management, what exactly we'll be doing here is no, we will be adding the user delete and password usually will not be performed as a L2. We are not performing. The Linux administrator will be performing the user group and management. Okay, just we'll be having the one user. Based on that, we'll be working on the process management and the file management, all the stuff. So networking command also we are going to use, like the ping, netstat, ipconfig, ip, and shscp, wget, and curl command we are going to use in the real time. This is the thing we are going to use in the real time. Let us understand the one task, real time task. Okay, what is the requirement is copy the file from local machine to the remote system. My remote system is the Ubuntu system. Okay, this is my Ubuntu system. For that, I have already logged in. Okay, so I have already logged in, but I will show you the how we can log in. Okay, this is the putty. I'm logging in. Okay, put the password. Okay, you are into. This is the Linux system. Okay, these are the commands we are going to use. Just I am showing this. Okay, and which directory, if you want to see, means pwd. Okay, and which date means it is going to show, and uname. And if you want to check the or CPU utilization, we are going to use the top command. You are able to see it here, right? The PID, how much pre-space is there, how much it is utilized, and memory, sharp memory, all the stuffs we are able to see it. Okay, and like this, we can create the any file like the a1.txt we can create. Okay, and file has been created. Okay, and the nothing is there, that is the reason. Okay, you can see it here, a.e1.txt has been created here. Okay, ls-ltr a.txt has been created. Like this, in the real time we'll be working, moving the file and renaming the file will be performing the task. And here the copying the file from local machine to the remote machine, what exactly we'll be doing here is we are going to use the WinSAP. So let me bring this WinSAP. WinSAP. Okay, I have opened. Okay, it is opened, and it is asking for the new site. Okay, for this new site I need the okay, so I host name and username and password it is required. Let me get the host name. Host name means the IP address. Okay, if confiz, if config ఇప్పుడు you will get the IP address. This is the host name. Get it. Okay, and go to the WinSAP, put it, put the username, then password. It is connecting. Okay, if it is connect means the all the data in this, whatever the I am showing it here, right? Where I am. Okay, Raju. Here, this is the all the things are showing it here. Okay, okay. I want to push this file. Okay, what is the file? The production support, it is not there here. To take that to the remote server, you are able to see it here, right? This is the remote desktop. This is my local. This is the home. Raju is the and this one. Okay, and let us transfer this file to the remote system. Okay, transfer has been done. You are able to see it here, right? And we are able to see it. Okay, and yes, you are able to see it here, right? The production support, the whether it is already there or not, we are going to check it here. Okay, see the ls-ltra. See the production support course content, it is there, na? So like this, you are able to transfer the file. Okay, let us move on to the like the other one. Okay, and other real-time task. What is this? Scenario based. Before that, we are going to learn the shell script and the cron job. Schedule a cron job to run the every 1 minute. This is the like the schedule. To schedule that, we are going to write the one file, the sample cron job sh, where it is. It is there here. Okay, let us see what is written. And the for scheduling purpose, this is the minute, this is the hour, this is the month, and this is the year, and this is the weekly. Okay, that is the reason 5 stars we are going to learn. Okay, if you want to, whether whatever we are scheduling, whether it is correct or not, how you can cross verify is go to the cron guru, you can verify it. Okay. Here, at every minute, I am ready. So what is the requirement? Schedule a cron job to run every minute. This is the requirement, triple star. Okay. And if I change to the like the 6 means 6 a.m. it is going to run. At every minute past 6 every day 6 a.m. it is going to run. Okay. And like this we need to schedule it, and let me go to this path and I will show you the sample cron.sh what I have written. Okay, like this you need to learn the steps. Okay, and see, I'm going to go there, sample cron.sh cat to see the view the data. Here what I have written, bin date echo $a date wise the scheduler is running every 1 minute. Happy learning, I have made it in this scheduler, this shell script, and I'm going to run schedule this one, whether it is going to run it or not, we are going to see it. Okay, and to see the how the cron jobs are there, cron tab hyphen L. How many jobs are running now? So here none of the jobs are running. So what we are going to do, edit the cron tab. What we are going to see, what we are going to do here, I am writing into the log, because whenever the issue is coming, we need to see something and then we need to take action in the real time. That is the reason I am writing into the cron sample one dot log. There is a nothing here. You can see it here. Nothing it is there. Okay. Nothing sample one, cron sample one is not there. Sample is there, but sample one is not there. I am going to, it is going to create once it is run, it is going to create automatically. So let us edit this job. Let us edit this. To edit that, cron tab hyphen e. Okay, go here, paste, paste it, and write it. Control O and Control M and Control X. Okay, and you can see the cron tab hyphen L. Okay, this has been scheduled, and let us see whether it has been created or not. So it is going to create within a 1 minute. Okay, you can check it. Within a 1 minute it is going to check, and before that, or the next task, what is there, we'll see that. Okay, the next scenario based questions, that is also very important. Scenario based is very important. Okay, and before that, let us see whether this scheduler has run or not. Tab sample one, cron tab sample one. Scheduled it as hyphen LT. It is still, yeah, it has run. It has run. It has the records. Cron tab, sample 1, February 4, 1902. It is there. Okay. Let us see cat. Cat the file. See the job scheduler is run every 1 minute. Happy learning. So see the if it is the second record isn't created means the it is going to get the all the data. Okay, and that is about the scheduler and the cron scheduling the job. Let us understand the next one, and this is also very very important. The two P1 tickets at a time came means how will you handle it? And one more, they will ask the URL in the shift how we are going to handle. In this scenario, here we are going to learn two P1 tickets at a time, how you are going to handle it. Okay. So where the ticket, where those games, this is our dashboard. This is the real time Jira ticketing tool. This is the one of the, how many projects are there here? L1 support project, L3 support project, Urbi Academy, and four projects are there. For out of this, we are working for L2 support project. Okay. To view this, you need to go, you select your project. If you select the L1 support, the L1 support data will come here. If you select the L3 support, L3 support data will come here. Okay. How many issues are there here? So many issues are there, right? And which is our queue? This is our queue. And two tickets at a time came. We'll see how much website is down, user is unable to access this site. Okay, but this is also let us see. E-commerce website is done, user is unable to access the highest priority. And since critical impact is extensive widespread, we need to work on immediately. And first, what we need to do, it is in the first in the open state, we need to start work in progress. We need to acknowledge it. Okay. We need to start in progress. Okay. And before that, okay. So we just acknowledge it. We are in it. Update as earliest. As earliest. Okay. And assign it. Okay. And okay. And no need the report on urgent basis. Okay, so application is down and which one is the field one? They are also you can make it the progress and you can see the application is down, not able to download the report from your. Please fetch the report from the backend and share the detail in next one. These also both are very very important for us, but that one is first one is the application is down is very very important. In this case, what exactly we have to answer is if the two P1 issues occur at the same timing, we have to prioritize it. And which one we have prioritize it? The application which is down, we have prioritize it. In this case, you should inform to the higher management. Higher management in the sense your team lead, your manager, or the shift lead. We need to inform. Request a quick resource allocation if the both issues have the potential to affect the business operation. Both are affecting the business operation. In this case, we need to call and get the one resource allocation and mean timing, and you can update the ticket saying that send ticket also we are checking on other tickets and we'll keep you posted, and we have the highest priority ticket. Like this you can update, and once you resolve the first ticket, once you resolve this ticket, think that you restarted the application and think that application started working. Application started working. Okay, so you can reply to saying that we have restarted. We have restarted the application and it started working. It started working. Please check and confirm. Real time we are going to reply like this. Once they will reply, and we'll until then we'll keep on hold, or we'll be resolving it. Once they will confirm if it is working fine means, then we are going to close the ticket. Okay, and this is closing and all the steps. What exactly we are going to do it here is I am going to show you that. Okay, and I am going to show you that. I am going to show you. Okay, and mm, let me go to the implementation part. Okay. Okay, I have already incident management process and incident came and incident categorization we have done, incident response we have done, incident resolution recovery, incident close and review we have done. Okay, and along with this working with the workflow in the Jira ticket has been created. Once it came, it is in open state. From the open state, it can go to the resolve state, and and once that is done, it can go to the close state. And if it is not going to resolve state and open to the close also, it can go also, and it can go to the here in progress. I have done the in progress to the directly I have resolved it, and after that I have closed it. I have followed this process, and in progress to the close state also it can go. From in progress to the stop progress also, open state also I can go, and once this is resolved, it can go to the reopened also, reopen to the closed state also it can go, and all the way we can resolve the tickets and resolve to the and open to the resolve all the steps. This is the workflow we are following here. Okay, and once that is done, and we'll see the other steps. What exactly the here we are covering here is ITL process. ITL is the service operation, continual service improvement, service strategy, service design, and service transaction. We are going to learn it here. Okay, and monitoring tool we are going to cover as the Splunk, and this is the architecture. The Splunk engine it will be there. This is the UI, and the search head it will be there, and query what are the processing it will be there, Splunk CLI, Splunk web interface, and other stuffs it will be there. Okay, and indexing and all the stuffs for Splunk forwarder it will be there, and all the stuffs we are going to learn where exactly the Splunk it will be there. We are going to go here. I'm going to show you that. Let it open. And after that, I will show you the common issues in the L2 production support we'll discuss. So whenever it will come, go to the search and reporting. This is the search bar, and here you can change the your search modes. What are the search mode? Fast mode, smart mode, and verbose mode it will be there. Here you can change the timing, like the all the timing and last 15 minutes data, last 24 hours, last 17. This is the preset in the real time also 30-second window, and we can change the date range also, advance also we can do all the steps we can do it here. And let us see the electrical. I will choose, and last 24 hours I'm going to choose the data coming. Okay, data is coming. Okay, if I want to search the this one means if you want to search like the count 50 means we are going to search like this. Okay, if it is the count 50, that is going to display it here data. Like this only we are going to, this is a internet, so it is associated this search. Okay, and where exactly we are going to if I want to see the report means where we are going to see it here, we are going to see it in the report section. Okay, these are the already sample reports are there. Okay, This is the report section. If I want to see the alert section, you have to go here and we need to see it here. If I want to see the dashboard, and you have to go to the dashboard. Okay. And again, go to the search, and if you want to save your result as index is equal to audit. If I want to save the any search as the report alerts or the dashboard, you have the save as option here. Save as option. Okay, the report, alert, existing dashboard, new dashboard, and event type also we can do this. If you want to do the any changes, if you want to relate to the this data, add the data, you can go to the system and really will be learning all the stuff. Okay, and not wasting the timing, and we are going to go ahead and we'll understand the what are the common issues, and here we are going to paste it here is unable to log into the application, please help. Unable to log into the application means, okay, let me take in the one example here. I will take the SBI as SBI as I will okay. I want to log in personal banking. Okay, continue to the login. Okay, Siva 27. I'll put okay, and then you put the caption CHN 5. This is the login issue. Okay. Like this only we are going to see here. Invalid credential, OTP, you left the 2 attempts. Okay, invalid attempt, you have the left. Okay, so still I am not able to register the new user, register, forgot password. During that time, we are going to contact. We'll try to troubleshoot the login. Try to login. What is the troubleshoot? Forgot the username. Forgot my login password. Okay, next if you do, so it will ask you provide the username, account number, and country, and country, select the India, and write the phone number and date of birth, and all the stuff, provide and submit it. Okay, and provide the captcha. Okay, still it is not working, then you contact the customer care. So there will be a helpline number, right? The helpline number, and during this situation you can contact them and you can raise the issues, and or else you can send out the mail to the help desk at the SBI or online.com. It will be there. You send out like this. We need to resolve our issues, and whenever you lost your ATM card, during that time we'll call and complain, and they will block the thing. No, this is how it is going to work the real time. Okay, report issues sample, all the records are not showing in the downloaded report from the application. Okay, report issues. So I have the one application. What is the application? So my report is the quarterly sales report. I am downloading it. This is the one application I am downloading. This is the real time. Like this, we are going to. I have downloaded it. Go. The report. Okay, quarterly report data. 1 minute. Okay, quarterly sales report. Okay, so I will think that this quarterly report is not came. The yearly 4 quarters are there, right? So I think that this is not came. So during that time, what I will do, I will complain. I will raise the Jira tickets. I will go ahead and I will raise the Jira tickets. So I will go ahead and I will raise the Jira ticket here. I will raise the Jira ticket here. Okay, what is the L2, and like the request change and request the new account purchase, and what is this like the report the incident. Okay, report issue. We need to mention which report, like the which report we are targeting. This is the quarterly report, quarterly sales report. Urgency, it is a medium one, so impact is not a minor. Okay, so just I will raise the ticket. Okay, and once you raise the ticket, you go to the issues. Like this, you need to learn the real language. Okay, it came and you will be getting the mail in the real time. Okay, they will check, and if you wanted, you can attach this also, or add the screenshot of it. If you add this one also, it will be good. How we can add the report issue? I will show you that also. How we can attach this files here is here. Attach option is there now. Attach the file. Okay. Loading the attachment. Save. Okay. So it has been saved. Has been saved, right? They will check and they will mention the report issue, and the quarter 4 is not coming. So your description should be quarter is not coming. Okay. And like this, they will check and they will revert you back. Okay. And the next issue is please change the last name from the backend, from the database side. We can do that. New report request. We can they can request the new report. Application is very slow. Please check. Please provide the AWS console access for the new user and the RAM OS. And L2 has to resolve the issues based on the new request. This is the steps we are going to do as a part of this course. And ultimately, and this is about all about the course, and you will be getting the like the certificate for this. And whoever is interested for this course, please contact me. The what is the mail id is mail id is you can contact me, urabiacademy at gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com, guys. Gmail.com, you can write out and send it to me, and I will give the like the registration page as well as the um this one WhatsApp group link to you, and you can join that, so that I will connect to you for the details. Per price and all, I will discuss you offline, guys. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.